So here is a schematic of a digital logic decoder circuit. Primarily, it is 2:4 decoder logic, where two inputs P and A are as shown, and four outputs starting from Y0 up to Y3. That's why it is called as 2:4 decoder. So based on the input combinations of these two inputs B and a specific output out of these four lines will be selected, while other outputs will remain in a logic low state. So how to realize this logic? As you can see, it is realized using two NOT gates and four AND gates. So inputs B and A are available in both normal and its complementary form. And when you want BA, both are 0, 0, that is B bar A bar. So output Y0 is logic high. How? Because when this is 0, 0, through the inverters, they are 1, 1 each, and the top AND gate, both inputs are 1, therefore Y0 is equal to 1. Whereas the rest of the AND gates, output of them will be logic 0, as you can verify by applying the inputs. Because one of the inputs or both the inputs of these AND gates are 0, therefore their outputs will be 0. Therefore, only Y0 will be selected. That's why Y0 is equal to B bar and A bar. This is the main term. Similarly, if you apply 0, 1, Y2 will be selected, that is B bar and A. Other AND gates will remain in logic low state, that is they are inactive. For 1, 0, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0, Y2 gets enabled, Y0, Y2, and Y3. Here is a Y1 actually. So Y2 gets activated and the other outputs remain deactivated. Finally, for B and A both are 1, 1, only Y3 gets selected, other outputs remain in the logic low state. So that's how the decoder logic is used in digital electronics. So if you found this module useful, share it with others for wider reach, and stay tuned for more engaging content like this. Till then, wish you happy learning.